Make a Joyful Noise, a community springtime celebration jointly hosted by Mission Lutheran Church and Music City Tours. Make a Joyful Noise is an all-ages springtime community celebration centered on music, connection, and joy. This event invites families, couples, singles, kids, and seniors to gather for an evening of songs of renewal, joy and laughter, and shared experiences. Celebration features performances by multi-award-winning recording artists Jeff Hyman,
no one knows certain, but it's
Rebecca Harold,
Let me call you sweetheart. I'm in love.
Ed Basil, Corey Carruthers, Tony Imus, Sandra Ferreira, and Mission Lutheran's own Avery McCaffrey. Taking tickets at the door, Mission Lutheran's own Graham McCaffrey. To purchase tickets, just follow the link shown on the screen above, and we will look forward to seeing you there.